Well, hello there, it's the 14th of June 2020 and here you are with Dan in Essex, UK. So I like to grow all sorts of things here, whether crops that could be classed as standard or indeed things that are a little bit different. So I've actually been gifted some Medjool date seedlings and also some Clementine seedlings. So let's have a look at those. So I'll just show you what I've got here. Now, these are the Clementine seedlings and got some really lovely roots on them. So there you go, let you have a look at that. Literally, they were just put into a pot of potting compost, put on a windowsill and watered, and this is what has indeed happened. So just going to gently separate those there. Lovely roots on them, as you can see. So there we are. I'm going to take a bit more care to get those apart. I'll do those in a moment. Now here, these are the Medjool date seedlings. So there's two of them here. Whether seedlings is the correct term or not, I don't know, but that's the term I'm using. So just trying to get these out. Whee! There we go. So let you have a look at those. Now look at the roots on those. I don't know how long ago these were planted, but you can see there, look, quite established there. And they were actually growing out the bottom of the pot that they were in. As you can see, they're starting to grow round there in the pot shape. And here you go, this one here, look at that. You can actually see the date on that one there, so they're looking pretty good. So the plan for these is for me to just pot them up right now, so it'll be quite interesting. Now I know it's incredibly unlikely I'm going to ever be able to get a date crop here in the UK. I know you have to have male and female plants, and also they've got very specific climate requirements. They're generally grown in places like the Middle East and North Africa, but I like a challenge, so just going to pot those up and we'll see what they look like. Right, so there we go. I've potted up the Medjool dates. So look at that, look pretty good. There we go, quite ornamental looking, very much palm-like, grass-like at this stage, if you will. So there we go. Now, the next stage is to pot up these Clementine seedlings. So you can see I've separated them all, and they really do have very good root structures. So should get some success here, I think. There you go, so all potted up now, and you can see looking quite good. Not the biggest pots, but that'll do for them for the time being. All over here. So I'm going to keep everything, keep them stored here under the canopy of the yuzu, which is actually has formed another fruit there. And there we go. Blood orange at the back here is looking pretty good. So it should be just well there. And here I'm going to put these date palms under the canopy of the Cavendish banana, making sure that I don't too much cover where the pups are coming up. So at the very least, this is going to be a little bit of fun. So basically, a lot of the success in here with regards to some of the more exotic stuff will be down to the weather and also how winterproof I make this later in the year. So I've got plenty to be getting on with. There we go. Going to link some videos on the screen here right now, so you can take a look at those if you want to, and if you like my work. There we go. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe. Dan_Home Gardens on Instagram. See you next time.